Hello, crafty friends. We have another unofficial unboxing.
I am Amy. It's nice to see you guys again.
You want to go ahead and do the cutting?
Yeah.
Okay. So, go for it. Be careful not to cut anything inside.
Okay.
What do you think? This box is from Whimsy Stamps. So what do you think is in there?
Stamps.
That was a good guess.
Or maybe fan art.
You think so?
Yes, I love you so much.
Oh, yeah? Oh, there we go. It's open. Okay, let's see what we got. We've got... Careful, we can't show that one. Hold on a second.
Alright.
Okay, we got that taken care of. So now we can show the rest of this. Ooh, look at that. What does that look like?
Stamps.
Yeah. Doesn't that look awesome? What do you think they are?
I'm guessing more of these kind of stamps.
You think so?
Yeah, this is a really old stamp. Since when did you make it?
Should we show the big stack or the small stack first?
The big stamp.
Okay, let's see what's in there. What is it?
I guessed it correct.
You're right. This is Polka Dot Bells Fern. She has arrived, so we can now start shipping out orders for this exclusive stamp that's only available at Sproatmeyer.com. So, this is just an example of all the cards that I've made this week using this stamp. And all the different faces. This isn't even all the faces. This is a huge selection of faces. And we got one more card over there.
And we have Mom's OC. We have a better picture here soon.
Yes. So that's my original character. That's what I'm using for my avatar. So I had to have these stamps still available. And now they're going to be exclusive at Sproatmeyer.com.
Oh, yeah. I just found this.
Yeah, that's one that you drew of my stamp. Good job.
My artwork is terrible. I mean, I don't remember drawing this. It's been so long ago.
It's cute. I love it.
I'm going to do a remake soon.
So, let's check it out. That's what all of these are. Nice and ready to ship.
Let's count these. 1,
No, we're not
2,
going to count them.
3. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Should we see what's down here? This little stack?
Oh, this stack?
Yeah, okay. So, get ready to hide things if I can't show it. Oh, yeah, we can show this one.
Whee! New frames!
Yep, that's going to be a fun frame. That one is called the Sprinkles Scallop Rectangle Die. Here, hold that one.
Oh, okay.
Let me check the other one. That's good to show. This is the Sweet Words, which will be fun.
Is inverted.
And this one is the Fadoodles, which I have the die, so I'm really excited to be able to get to use this one.
Yay!
Oh, that's one that we can't show. Oh, and the rest of them look like they are for for new releases, so I can't show those right now. But these are the goodies right now. What do you think?
Yay.
Yay, I think so too. All right, thanks for joining.
Bye-bye.